Hey guys, I am Ajit. I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to tell you how to install AutoCAD 2007 6432 bits in Windows 2007, 8 and 10. Guys, it works 100%. I hope you will enjoy my video. So let's start now. First of all, go to the Security Defender antivirus. Then go to the setting, virus and threat protection setting. Click off. Yes. Then go back to the desktop. Go to the local disk D where your setup is found. Click on this setup, then right click, run as a administrator. Click the install option. Yes to all. Press the next option. Click on I accept. Then click on next. Enter the serial number 1. Then press the next option. Enter your name. Then press the next option. Press the both these tools and tick it. Then press the next option. Remove the tick from there and press the finish option. Here your AutoCAD is installed. Then go to the crack and open this. Copies all of this file. Then go back to the main menu. Right click on the AutoCAD. Open the file location. Then paste these files here. Replace the files in the destination. Then go back and open the AutoCAD 2007. Click on the AutoCAD Classic and tick the don't show me this again. Press the OK. Here your AutoCAD 2007 is completely installed. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. For more interesting videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.